Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone. This is the short and the quick video about writing on the board. So last week I visited some of your classes and I jot down some notes that I want to share with you. So about writing on the board. So first of all, it's a good idea to organize your board beforehand, and I know most of you do, but this is just a reminder. So it's a good idea, for example, to divide your board whatever layout you want. So some people divide it into three, some divided into like four, like this part for the agenda, here vocabulary, whatever, new structure or new structure here, and then the exercise, any layout you want. So organizing your board is essential. So whatever the way you use to organize your board, it's up to you. Okay? So now about writing on the board. What I really noticed that some of you write, for example, the rule like am or is or are. Okay, plus verb plus so and so, again plus ing, for example. So they write it in red. So this is the problem, the red color. So on writing on the board, avoid using red. Write in dark blue or black. So it's better to write it in black. Verb plus ing, for example, after like or love. So never write with red. Write in black or dark blue, for example. Okay, so what about the red? Red is used to highlight, so you can under or circle something, like you write ing, the verb plus s, verb plus, and then you change and you write the s or es in red. So red is for correcting and highlighting only. Never write in red. So this is something that I want you to pay attention to when writing on the board. Okay. The same goes with writing in the notebooks. So most of you write columns like grades 1 to 3. They write columns and they say, for example, they write cat. Also, they write in red. So also never write in red. Write in blue or black or purple. Okay. Red is for marking, highlighting mistakes, underlining some things, and so on. Okay, so don't write columns in red, please. One more thing, something that I noticed, which is I saw something like this. Some of the teachers wrote the word goodbye like this. So what's wrong with this? Here, the wrong is the space. Goodbye is one word. Goodbye is one word. Again, we are writing a model to our students. We should be careful. We should check our dictionary and maybe double check the word. I mean the form and the pronunciation and the meaning before this. So goodbye, it's one word only. Okay, so take care of this. And I talked to you about writing, how to align the letters with the lines. It's really important for students to see good writing patterns. So take care of your writing. That's it. Thank you very much.